General guidelines for managing a strong password. Already I explained about passwords. So how we are going to make a general guidelines to set up a strong password. So your password should be 12 or 14 characters. So avoid using pet names or favorite colors. Okay. And you have to include numbers and symbols inside the passwords. And use capital and lowercase letters also. Avoid using same password for multiple sites. If you are using many other sites, don't use the same password. So these are things for guidelines for creating a strong password. So now you are going for next thing is www.strongpasswordgenerator.com. This is the site. It will create random password to you. Okay. So the next thing, how to explain about the points, how you are going to set up instead of how to make a security. So how to make a security? First thing is backup your data. What do you mean by backup your data? You have all the data you are stored in the one place. So instead of that, the unauthorized people can take your data. So instead of that, if you want, you can store it in the pen drive, hard disk. So you can keep it separately. It will protect from unauthorized people. So use encryption software. What do you mean by encryption? Means instead of 1 you are giving A, instead of 2 you are giving B, 3 you are giving C. So you can use 1, 2, 3. So the person can understand that A, B, C. So that is the way you can differentiate it to your characters. That we call it as encryption. So your password you are sending as ABC. So the person can understand it is 1, 2, 3. That is the way you can use it is encryption software. Keeping your username and password, it should be a private. It should not be a public. Registering with website. If you are going to registering with the website, you should see that they will be specifying some regulatory points and rules will be there. So first of all, we should understand what are the rules. Then only we have to go and register to that site. Okay. The next thing is do not share personal information. If you are sometime they will be sending a form to you. So automatically you are opening your form and you are typing your username, age, address, all those phone number details. So unauthorized people, they can take up all those details from your site and they will be accessing your site. So we are going for secure transaction. How we are going for the secure? It's the next topic. So secure transaction means you are doing online transaction. If you are doing online transaction, no need to save your username password on the same site. So automatically what it will do, the unauthorized people, they will take your username and password and they will access your site. And the next thing, do not, if somebody is sending an email to you, do not immediately click the link. It will automatically go, your details will be reflected to given to hackers. That those people or not those people can take all those information from your things. Whenever you are using cafe, internet cafe, those places don't keep your password saved. So those people, if many of the persons will be accessing the same computer, they will be taking all those information. If it is a cookies, so what it will do, cookies will show how many web pages you have accessed, what time you have access, what are the details, everything will be displayed. So always if you are using this, you have to remove the cookies. Keep your operating system and software should be updated. Otherwise, it is a loophole for the hackers to enter into your system. And install your firewall. If you are installing your firewall, you can unauthorized people cannot access into your system. And whenever you are using, you have to clear all the histories. If you are using outside or a internet cafe, you have to clear all the histories, whatever sites you have accessed. If you have purchased something, if you are online transaction, you have to clear it. Otherwise, unauthorized people can take all those information from your site. So these are the securities we have providing to the system.